Hey audio enthusiasts! Today we're unboxing the H653, a 6.5-inch 3-way coaxial full-range speaker system, ready to supercharge your car audio. Let's check it out. First, it comes as a pair, with mesh steel grills and speaker fitment adapters included. A responsive polypropylene cone, UV-treated foam surround, and dual tweeters, a dynamically balanced 1/2-inch PI tweeter plus a 1/2-inch piezo tweeter. There's also an integrated crossover with tweeter protection for clean, layered sound. Power rating from 90W RMS to 270W. So it handles everything from mellow jams to full blast anthems. And 4. Ohm impedance works with most car setups. Neodymium tweeter magnets, a strontium ferrite woofer magnet, and a powder-coated steel basket for durability. Mounting depth is 45 millimeters, fits tons of cars. If you want pro-level, multi-layered sound in your ride, the H653 delivers. Solid specs plus unique dual tweeters equals next level audio. Catch you later.